is Amanda Ledesma. I am the Instructional Support Manager within the Educational Technologies Department at South Texas College.
My name is David Torres Jr. I'm an instructional technician here at South Texas College.
South Texas College is an institution that comprises 6 campuses. 6 of those campuses are physical campuses, and then we have a 7th campus, which is our virtual campus. And we are a Hispanic serving institution. We do have a pretty high enrollment. We've got maybe about 26,000 students. UJA has been a really great product, and one of the things that we really enjoy working with UJA on is that it has a lot of features and capabilities that we haven't seen with a lot of other solutions. So it really is an all-in-one solution for us. It incorporates recording, storage, captioning, editing, quizzing even, interactivity, and some of our faculty have done some very creative things with the interactivity.
The experiences here with the faculty, staff, and students have been phenomenal. The instructors really enjoy creating their content, as well as staff members. They use UJA to create their videos, whether it be for onboarding or their colleagues, and as well for students, because with the instructors needing them to do like self-introduction videos, or whether they're doing PowerPoint presentations and they're recording their PowerPoint and themselves, they go ahead and use UJA to submit those projects.
One of the things that made UJA stand out was, 1, its affordability, but 2, one of the situations we found ourselves with was our previous platform. We already had interactivity on some of our videos, and we had quizzes, and we had, of course, a lot of videos stored. And UJA was the only one that came forward and said, we can help you transfer your videos, we can help you transfer your quizzes. UJA was even willing to help us reset links on Blackboard, which was amazing to us from a support standpoint.
What really helped us out was, the closed captioning.
Yes, and then being able to caption in different languages was a really big one for us, because some of our previous solutions had captioning, but did not have something that allowed our faculty, staff, or students to translate that captioning into other languages.
One thing I would like to also mention is the integration within Blackboard. With the help of the single sign-on and the collaboration with LTI, it just goes seamlessly straight into their accounts, and all they have to really know is how to download the application, how to start the recording, where is it going to save, and how to implement it, putting it into the course.
It greatly simplifies our onboarding for students because we can keep them together in the same area. Most students are familiar with getting into their Blackboard accounts, and having their tools be just a click away is just amazing. It empowers them, and it makes life for us easier when it comes to instructing them how to get to those tools and how to log in.
We're using UJA to house our videos, so we put those links, whether it be on our SharePoint or anywhere else on our website, to help, house those videos that our internal staff and faculty can use it to support faculty staff with the professional development.
Outside of what we do work day to day, I know our faculty and staff use it for recordings, either for doing trainings or for lecture, and even our students will do recordings in it. We have faculty members that as part of a class assignment, will have students either do introductions of themselves or do presentations using UJA and upload their recordings to Blackboard as either a part of a project or as a grade.
It's all about instructors or staff members creating their content, and as well, they like going back and reviewing data, collecting the data of who is watching the video.
Every month we collect analytics from UJA, and then occasionally we do look at trends to see what percentage has grown, who are our top performing faculty, for example. I know it gives us who has created the most videos or quizzes, and we do review that information. Yeah, I would say we'd recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. UJA has a lot of tools bundled into one, and some of our experience with previous tools is that they typically shine in certain areas and they have a lot of really great features, but they don't typically have everything we need together in one package. And UJA was that for us. It had everything we needed together in one package. We've had a great relationship with UJA. The responses we've gotten from UJA have always been very quick, which has been wonderful for us. And the tool just has so many parts to it, and especially room for growth. There's some things in there that we're not even using yet, but we like the fact that we have those available to us. So if we need them in the future, we know we don't have to go looking. We already have them there. Give it a try. Do a demo. Go through and try it. Have some of your faculty come in and try it. Faculty are our primary users, but we do have a lot of staff that use it as well to record videos for their department, or for, some of them are student facing. So sometimes they create tutorials for their students. Our students use it, with their classes and with their faculty. So everybody here uses it. I think we all get a benefit out of it.